What is up, beautiful people? Today I have the June Premium BoxyCharm for you guys. This is my not PR box, and I'm probably sure if you're new to my channel you have no idea, but if you're a regular on my channel you know that I always have the PR boxes first and ready to go. They got lost in the mail. They will be here at some point, but they late. Those will be coming. I don't know if I'll just unbox them all together. Let me know what you guys prefer and I will try to do that. If there's enough products in them, I'll try to at least do try-ons for you guys. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, if you're new, my name is Melly. I do beauty content. You can subscribe, you can follow me on my social media, and let's go ahead and jump into my not PR box. So this is the premium. This is $35 a month. And the theme this month is Dare to Dazzle. My version is 303. First thing in here is actually my choice from last month, and it's this baby right here, the Dominique Cosmetics. This is the transition palette. As soon as I saw that that was an option, click, that's my choice. And this just has 15 shades that are transitions, and now that I see it in person, like, I wish there was a few different shades in there, but this is $48. They're all matte, and it says that it's a face and eye palette. This is the aesthetic of the palette, just very nude, very pretty, very on par with what is a transition. It does have a mirror. It doesn't hold itself up, so if you're going to use it you have to, you know, force it up. But these are the shades. And I do feel like she did a good variation. I would have liked more cool tones in there, like more grayish neutrals. I feel like it leans a little bit more warm. She does have a few cool ones here, like more on the pinky side. But overall, I would have preferred maybe just like this medium black and then not the dark one and the gray one. Maybe like more, you know, like more of those taupey browns to use for cool tones for transition shades. So those are it. I do like the fact that it has the names in the front and they're cute. You know, she does a really good job with her palettes. I've never had any issues with any of my Dominique Cosmetics. I already own probably like 3 or 4 of her palettes. I want to say, yeah, I think like three of her palettes, and I really enjoy her formula. I did do this look. The transition shades on this look are using that, and I even tried to contour a little bit, but I feel like it would have needed more of those taupey grayish neutral shades to be able to really use it for contouring. Then the next thing in here is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer Illuminating. This is $39 and it gives a healthy glow. This was my other choice that I picked and I really like it. It does give a beautiful glow to the skin, and you guys will see that in the try-on portion. It is a, you know, basically the same shade of the bottle itself, and it's just a squeeze tube. And this is what it looks like. Let me just go ahead and rub that in so you guys can see that. But it kind of gives like a glowy, like, I don't know. I think it looks better in, like, when you see it in person, you see it, what the shade looks like, and it almost leans towards a goldish undertone, which is really nice for me because I do have more of that olivey complexion, and it is silicone free. I will see how it wears under makeup, but I do have it on today and I really like the overall effect with everything set in place. Next thing in here is the Wander Beauty. This is the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. This is worth $68. I absolutely love Wander Beauty. Their skincare, their makeup. I have just really enjoyed a lot of their products that I've tried. This is what it looks like. It's very cute, and it does have 1% retinoid. You do want to be cautious, from what I hear, if you use retinoids to be out in the sun. You want to use SPF, you know, kind of not be out sun tanning or anything like that. And like I said, this is $68. It says that it helps with fine lines and wrinkles and uneven skin tone. I will be trying this out, and I'm just gonna pump a little bit here just to kind of smell it. And it does have a very nice clean smell. It doesn't have any kind of fragrance to it, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. And next thing in here is the I want to say it's called Mapelem It's an eye cream with vitamin C, quinoa extract, and it's $39. This I am not going to open just because I have 4 eye creams that I'm trying to get through. And when I have duplicates or way too many of something, I actually try to give it to friends or family. And so I will be giving this to a family member. Next thing in here is the Zoeva Pure Velours Lip. This is a velvet cream formula. It's supposed to set matte, and I will be trying this out, maybe do a look with it on my Instagram. And it's free of fragrances, mineral oils. It's $15. And I was gonna use this in this look, but as you guys can see, this look is more like towards a pinky purpley look, and this shade just did not sadly go with it. As you can see there, it's a coral shade. It's absolutely gorgeous, but it just did not go with the look. And that is what it looks like there, swatch. So a kind of darky terracotta orange, like peachy shade. Last thing in here is the Earth Harbor Naturals. This is the Laguna Replenishing Body Serum. It's $26. It's a pure botanical oil. It has blue yarrow, marine alga, coconut, rose hip. It has quite a few things that are supposed to hydrate and give you gorgeous, like luminescent skin. It's supposed to have a fresh floral breeze aroma to kind of like bring in your senses, and it's a nutrient dense serum. It's $26. I have heard quite a bit of this brand, Earth Harbor, and yeah, it's cruelty free. There's a whole bunch of awesome things here. It's vegan, plant-based. It's woman owned, and that's what it looks like. And I will be trying this out. Hopefully it's not way too greasy, because that's the main problem that I have with things for the body. And it kind of has like a herbal smell. I wouldn't say like too flowery. Let's just put some on my arm and see what it looks like. Oh, okay. That's not too bad. It definitely sinks in completely. It doesn't look greasy or anything like that. So I like that. It kind of gives you, I don't know if you guys can tell this arm based on this one. Maybe, no. It kind of gives you a little bit of luminescence to the arm or to the body, but not too much. And it does really absorb nicely. A lot of times with things like this, I'm always afraid that I'm gonna look like super greasy or feel greasy, and I do not like that on the body. So overall, that is everything that came. I will show you guys the short little try on portion now, and then my final thoughts. The first product that we are going to try on is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. This is the illuminating one. This was actually one of my choices, and this is a squeeze tube. Kind of like a peachy shade, if you can see that there. I did change my settings around a little bit as far as like my lighting goes, so I don't know how this is going to turn out, but hopefully it will be okay. I changed the settings and I put a light bulb behind me to kind of improve the quality. I might get new lights, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so just patting this in. Do I look illuminated? I feel like it gives a little bit of illumination, not too much. I think I left most of it on my hands. Look at that. Okay, let's try a little bit directly on the face, because that was a fail. Yeah, don't rub into your hands. Oh, that's pretty. I'm all about dewiness and glow. I absolutely love that whole glowy vibe. Oh, this is beautiful. We are going to dive into this palette. I actually picked this as my choice this month, and this is the Dominique's Cosmetics Transition Palette. It says it's an eye and face palette, and I thought we could go ahead and try to use maybe caramel or toffee as a little bit of contouring, just very, very lightly. Maybe just caramel, the tiniest bit. Don't know if I'm gonna go in with just these because this is all matte. I might bring in my little indie palette, Break the Rules. If you guys want a separate review on this, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and just, ooh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna go in with purples. So I'm gonna go in first with Blushing as my transition shade. blushing, which is more of a cool tone. And oh God. Okay, let's go in with blushing. And as always, I'm going to do just one eye on camera and then I'll do the other one off. And then I'm gonna go in with Chai, which is the darker maroon, and apply that to the outer V. Not as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be. They are buildable, but they're not very dark from the get-go. Okay, to be honest with you guys, this is looking a little muddy. It's not as good as I thought it was gonna be. And then just to add a tiny bit of depth, I'm going to go in with Cinnamon, which is this really, really dark brown. And you can't even tell it's on top, I don't think. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Coal, which is this black, and just tap that in just to that outer edge. Next, I'm gonna go in with Frothy, which is the cream shade, and mix it with Natural, just both of those, just dabbing into both of those and clean up underneath my brow and around the edges. And then I'm gonna go in, since I've already used quite a few of these transition shade, I basically used all of these and that one. I guess you could do a all matte look if you wanted to, but I'm gonna go in with my Break the Rules palette and add some of these gorgeous shades on here. I think I'm gonna go with the pink and the purple and just add these on the lid to get a pop. Whoa. And the first thing that I'm gonna go into is this Go Rouge, which is the middle shade. These are just absolutely stunning. And just build that up. Actually, these apply way better with your finger, so let me just go in with my finger. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is so freaking gorgeous. And then for the inner corner, oh, God, I don't know if I even want to do that. Do I want to do that? You know what? I'm just going to keep it really simple and just do Go Rogue all over the lid. Shade, is that not gorgeous? Oh. Like I said, if you guys want me to do a review on this palette, I will. But I'm gonna probably pop some purple underneath my lash line and maybe go in with the Make Me shade underneath here, or maybe even the pink shade, we'll see. I'll be right back with lashes and the whole 9 yards, and we will do the lips real quick. And I'm back with the finished look. I went ahead and skipped the lip just because I hadn't looked at it yet, and it doesn't go with this look. This look is more pinky, purpley, and it's more of a terracotta kind of orangey look, and I think it would go better with neutrals or more warm tones. I will be testing it out though, and hopefully do a look on my Instagram. If you're not following me, you can follow me down below. As always, I will put the total value around here of the box. I paid $35 a month for this box, and I do feel like I get my money's worth. Overall, I have to say I really enjoyed everything that came this month. My choices, which were the Laura Mercier and the Dominique Cosmetics palette, I'm so excited to keep using them. I feel like this Dominique Cosmetics palette is going to be awesome to just even keep here on my vanity, because it has like the cool tones, it has the warm tones, and then it has the like grays and darker blacks to lighten up, and these kind of brow bones to, you know, go around the edges as well. Really, really nice. And like it said, you could also use this on the face and pair it with like more shimmery shades. Really, really nice. Love Wander Beauty, so excited to try this. Also the Earth Harbor Laguna for the body serum. Can't wait to try this out and see if it really does give me like that nice glow, especially now for the summer. And Laura Mercier, the Glowy Luminous Primer, awesome. And then the Zoeva lip product. The only thing that I feel like I'm just gonna give away is going to be the eye cream, like I stated previously, just because I have so many right now that I'm trying to get to, and that's it. Anyways, let me know what you guys thought of this month's box. Did you like yours? Did you like your choices? And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. If you want to subscribe, that button's down below, and also my social media. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.